Hey guys, it's me again. I'm going to finally do a review on my sniper rifle. It's right here. This is 1.1 meters long. Goes up to about here on me. Right there. It never fails to go to about 415 FPS. The bipod scope that came with it are actually just crap. I just, threw them away straight after I got them because they are just cheap and stupid. Yeah, but the power is amazing on this. Comes with about a 25 round mag. It says on the website that it's 20, but it's not. We put that in there. Then it's a bolt action, so you pull that. We're going to test it on a normal aluminium can, like I do with all of them. Okay, and here it goes. Yep. Let's see what that done. See, so it went straight through here. There's a hole in there, and then it dented at the back here. See, right where this is here. Yeah, it's perfect and really powerful. It's actually worth it. It was 65 quid from BB Guns for Less. It is really good. Yeah, well, that's the airsoft BB gun sniper rifle, and I'll see you guys on another video.